What's up? So this is it. This is the look. It's real cute, real Halloweeny. And majority of the stuff is affordable. Unless it's not, then I'm sorry, kids. What's up? So I'm kind of hungry. Okay, nothing's on my face. I don't even think I need to add makeup right now. Oh my god. Natural fucking glow. Hey y'all, what's up? Y'all wanna know how to get this? Well, first thing I'm gonna do is do this eyebrow thing. That was hot. And then kind of just like lightly feather this out. I'm in love, but like it just doesn't look right to me. Like if this is what my brow's supposed to look like, I don't agree with it. But like, you know, do what makes you beautiful, you know? I'm encouraging you guys to go outside the box with your makeup. Like, try something. Just because you see a homegirl do it doesn't mean you have to do it like that. Now, here's where makeup comes in. Yeah, I know, spooky, but you know what, you guys? Don't worry. I'm gonna go in with my full coverage concealer and I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna carve off the bottom brow bone and then I'm gonna go up on top to shape it. And this is super easy and simple. Oh, by the way, this is the full, it's the full coverage it's the full coverage concealer. I should do the other brow. I'll be right back. Just a quick little heads up. This is the NYX Cayman frame. Hell yeah, dudes. So now that that's on me, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. 4-color concealer. I'm going in with the green shade because I have acne that's red up there. Same with my cheeks. Y'all, like, this kind of worked, I'm not gonna lie. Not to like deep throat their dick, but like it's actually kind of good. Like it's not sheer. Like it comes on and the applicator like kind of does its job. Like I think it comes out proportionately. You can totally go in with a different brush. Like if I would go in with this and kind of blend it out too because I'm putting my foundation next, you know? And I'm not getting what I thought I was gonna get. Like I'm getting what I always get. Like it's not my color, but like it will after like I put on the rest of the products. It's kind of like not it. Like it's not what I wanted it to be. I want the ColourPop foundation, but I also want the Fenty Beauty and Born This Way, and that's just a whole lot of foundation, and like it's not necessary that I need all of them. So I'm gonna finish this one, and then you know upgrade. Like I just look like Shrek. Like we gotta conceal, ladies and gents. Ugh. I was told that they're right there. I'm gonna put it like right here, so that way it helps my contour. Dab that in. Are you guys even getting what I'm doing? Cause like I honestly don't even know what I'm doing. Like I'm a beginner, y'all. Like what I'm doing, I'm kind of just going with like what I see everybody else do. Like y'all are here for the like ride with me. Like hit or miss. I look like the peanut butter baby. I'm gonna set. I don't give a fuck. Oh, by the way, like I smoked like my keef today, and like that's a trip. That was a whole thing I did not expect. Like I was like I was shook. Oh, I also use this to like pack my joints now. Like it's just the perfect like I noticed it. I was like this feels familiar, and lo and behold, like I recommend it. Like more than one purpose, bitch. That's what Fenty's all about. Okay, so like I'm watching this kid. He's called like Baby Pablo, and like his friend's so funny. Like they did this makeup look that I'm gonna mock. And once you got that, go in with. Oh, we're using this palette, by the way. You see this? I went in with this color, and now I'm going in with that color, and I'm finishing with these. Okay. Oh my god, you can. Oh, it's so bad, y'all. Okay. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so it's kind of turning pink on me, which is like not bad, but like I didn't want pink. Like, damn. But y'all aren't even ready for the best part. Did I do something? Did I do something? If not, like, tell me, because I'm just gonna reassure myself that I'm so bad. I don't know. I don't even have an outfit with this. Like, this is all like not even like good planned. Like, it's just whatever's happened happens. I'm weird. Do you guys use paintbrushes for like concealer brushes too? Because like I kind of do, and I wanted to know if I was like a loser or if y'all did this too. Where's the concealer that I used to clean? Like, I need that back because things are happening and like the wrong things are happening at the wrong places. That just ain't it. I just fucked up the entire look. Like, it's just bad. I decided that it's not totally garbage, but we're gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and we're just gonna go into Mulberry. You guys are never gonna see me apply bottom eyeshadow, are you? Oh my god, oh my god, and then this could be the look where like I do the whole like little, okay. Y'all, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing now. If I get to tell you guys, oh, I'm using this melted Too Faced one. I'm gonna put this on this mirror. Okay, cool. I was recording that. Yeah, that works. Okay. No, it doesn't, because I forgot what I was doing. Y'all, like, I'm stoned. Okay. I'm not gonna mess with that anymore. However, you know that concealer brush that came with the little set? I'm gonna clean it, and I'm gonna use it to fix it. Concealer. What? Wow. Spooky. Like, I fucked up, you guys. I fucked up the unfuckable. But, like, leave it to me, though, you know? Like, you pick a makeup tutorial that everyone should be able to do. Link it, because I obviously won't be able to do it. But I have the patience and I have the time. Honestly, whatever. This Thirsty palette I use for my contour. Yeah, like, I'm about to use it to contour my nose. But, like, I start off subtle. Like, I already fucked up this side. But I think I fixed it. Okay. And now I'm gonna do the whole, like, cutting them or something. Oh, shit. You know what? It doesn't matter. I'm kind of going for that. See? Yeah. Like, I like that look for me. You know, maybe I shouldn't go in with blush, you know? Because what's the point? Like, maybe cute boy blush, you know? I went super overboard, but, like, Halloween party tutorial to lock what we have right now. And then we're gonna dust off the translucent powder. I think next is mascara. And by popular demand, I mean by two people, they want me to wear Fenty. Also, you guys, like, I've been having dreams. And, like, my dreams have me, like, at my house, like, my old house. Y'all see that? Like, I'm gonna get, like, clown lung or whatever that thing is called. Like, I'm just trying to get my fucking highlighter on. Okay, so, temples. Should I be cute? Should I be cute and, like, put some in the middle? Oh shit, that's kind of pretty. So this is kind of the look. Oh, my lip.
Daylight, I wake up feeling like you won't play right. We can make it if you want it. You can have it, but stay woke.
I think I'm ready. I hope y'all like this. This is like kind of the look. Ooh.